Hi guys, welcome to another video by AntiquesArena. My name's Walter O'Neill, and in today's video I'm going to show you what came in on Saturday morning. Now, I've had a gentleman coming in selling me bits of jewellery, bits of watches and all sorts, and he has got a shed load more to sell me. Now, he's been coming in asking about mining memorabilia. Do I sell mining checks, lamp checks, things like that? And I said yeah. And on average I get between £10 and £15 a lamp check. He come in and he said, well, the ones I got really don't warrant being sold for £10 and £15. He's got polo checks, which they call them now because they look like a polo, you know, they have the hole in the middle and that. And he's got some really rare ones from some private mines. Well, they're all coming in this week. But for now, he brought me in 29 assortment checks. Now I've given him £180 for this full collection here, which sounds a lot of money, but when you get to looking through them now, you'll understand why I've done it. Now, I've looked on eBay and some of these are between £20 and £30 a check, so these are not going to go into the shop, because in the shop I sell them £10 and £15 each. But what I'm going to do, because I've got 29 here, I'm going to have a mad run on eBay. I'm going to put them all on eBay with no reserve on a low start of just the £12 that I normally sell them for in the shop. So one bid will buy them at 12 quid, and I'm going to see how many of them run. But should be enough there to attract the buyers to the rest of them, and they may buy 3 or 4 in one hit, and the prices are going to run up. So next week I'm going to do an update where I'm going to do a video and show you the results of selling all these. I'm going to list these today. While I'm in the shop today, I'm going to list all 29 in one hit, one after the other. 29 of them. And then in 7 days time I'm going to film and show you the results and show you how much money I've made. Now you know now I've paid £180 for these. Now they're being sold on eBay, so I have to take, let's for argument's sake, 15-20% off the top of whatever I get, for the plain and simple reason eBay fees, commissions, PayPal fees and so on. I'm a business seller, so I don't qualify for the cheap listings or the free listings or the limited selling fees, which is wrong. eBay really need to look after the business sellers as well as the private sellers, because we are their bread and butter. But no, they only look after the private sellers. They got, at this precise moment, a maximum of you had a 3-day bracket where you could list anything and sell it for no more than 1 or 2 quid or whatever it was on commission. Yet me, I'm going to be paying a lot more than that. It's not fair. Anyway, no more about eBay. I'm going to sort these into a little nice neat pile for you, and I'm going to pan over them. And if there's any collectors out there, you're going to be going green about now, because I've got a lot of Welsh mining checks here. And what's more is I have a plaque from E. Thomas and Williams of Upday. Now, I don't know how rare it is, but do you think I can find another? No, I can't. So, I'm almost there, guys, and then I'm going to show you these checks. It's a really nice collection. And this doesn't even scratch the surface. These are just his cheaper ones because I've paid him, you know, £5-6 a check. That is the E. Thomas and Williams plaque. I'll put it down on the board now so you can see. Now, I don't know how many of them there are out there, but we'll have a look-see. But let's see what we can... Okay, so here's the checks. Let me get a photo of them while we're there, so that can go on eBay with them. Colliery, what's that one? Codley, Deep Dufferin. Deep Dufferin's not far from me by here. Lady Windsor Colliery by there. 6 Bells. Now I know some of these are at big money. Deep Navigation, so that's literally down the road from me. There's that plaque, E. Thomas and Williams Limited Cumbrawn plaque. Colliery again. Eton. Deep Navigation again. So these are Lady Windsor again. There's some really nice checks here, guys. And the mark number there, these are all going to go on at £12 each, no reserve. And I'm going to hope that somebody comes along and bids on them all. Penalta, that's over where my mother lives. Some of these, you know, these are rare checks. Oakdale. Look at that. And this is bottom end. These are absolutely wonderful, and these are his bottom end checks. I am super excited to see what else he brings down this week. This is the same gentleman who sold me the Breitling watch. So it's going to be an interesting week. I got a funny feeling if I put these all on one after the other, then I'm going to get, you know, collectors fighting against each other to get these and buying bulk. You know, you'll have one collector who might need 6 or 7 of these and will pay the money to have them. I can see this set here pulling a few £100 profit. I really can. Stands me in at 180. I'd like to think I'll be upset if he goes for less than 500 or 600. If he goes for £10 a check, then it's going to be pretty much £300 back. Take away my 20%, it's 240, which doesn't give me much profit, but it gives me 60 quid. 60, 70 quid profit, 12 quid each. But if they run, then we're laughing. 60 quid profit for a lot of work, it doesn't sound a lot because it's going to take me a full day's work, 8 hours probably to list all these. Then I got to pack them, ship them, put them online, pay the fees, and do all the paperwork for them. So it doesn't sound a lot, £60 for that, but I'm anticipating they'll run up in the 20s, and hopefully the odd one will run to 30. So fingers crossed. And this little plaque here is questionable. Where is he going to finish? We don't know. Haven't got a clue, but we'll see. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to list these now today, and you ain't going to get to see this video now. I got a few made, so this video will probably go out Thursday or Friday, so they'll only have probably 3 or 4 days left by the time you see them. So if there is anybody who wants to bid on any of these, the eBay ID is AntiquesArena Clearance, all one word. And they're going to be finishing next Monday. I'm putting them on a 7-day auction. I'm not doing a 10-day, I'm doing a 7-day auction. And we're going to see where they end up. It'll be interesting. It's an experiment, if nothing else, to see whether or not... I know I can phone up a collector now at the shop and say £10 each, and he's going to buy every single one of them off me right now, today. In which case then it's £290 in my pocket. I know that, you've already told me that. However, I feel with these ones that I can get double, if not more, maybe even treble on some. So it's worth the effort, and well, it's no gamble, because if they don't sell, I'll just put them in the case and phone him up. And he can come and take them then. But yeah, super excited, guys. Can't wait to see what happens. Wish me luck. Guys, go online, have a look on my eBay AntiquesArena Clearance and follow them yourself. If not, I will do a video and an update for you next week. If you've enjoyed the video, I would appreciate a like and a share. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, leave a comment, let me know you've subscribed, and I'll give you a thumbs up. You get to see all the pieces I buy in, and follow me when I make mistakes and everything else. And I make a lot of them. And it's just interesting, and you know, you'll come on family days out and so on. Anyway, you'll find me on Facebook. I have a page and a group, AntiquesArena. You'll find me on my own website, antiquesarena.co.uk and antiquesarena.com. You'll find me at the moment on eBay, AntiquesArena Clearance, or you can come visit me in the shop. AntiquesArena, 78 Oxford Street, Mountain Ash, Charlie Foxtrot 45 3 Hotel Bravo. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now. Oh, wish me luck.